everybody, and welcome to the vlog.
We're about to make some coffee
At the lake house.
Come here, Wally. Hey, bub. How's it going, Sister Jolinda?
Oh, man.
How's it going, Mom?
Good. It's all you, baby.
Well,
Hey,
I'm trying to
Kristen.
get me. Hello. How do you do? All right. Go ahead and add me on Snapchat. Christian tries 8.
It just got warm in here. I think
I almost
somebody has a
choked on the
fire on their
sausage.
head.
It's not.
The heck are you doing? Sit. Shake.
Get out my way, Roscoe.
You gotta burn that back of our off.
Are you single?
I just want to eat.
Raise your hand if you don't like Jackson.
1, 2.
Raise your hand, Nelson.
Let's say I had $100,000 in the bank right now. Someone's like, "Hey, my child needs a fur coat." I'm coming to that dog first. That's what I do.
So funny when somebody's being so serious and they're just like
Like The Office. It's stupid.
Yeah, I've definitely watched TV. Hey, Ruben. Hey, what's up, man?
Brother
The Office,
Ruben.
man. Office.
I could have been talking about The Office at my house.
The Office at your house doesn't laugh.
this is the #1 pigeon roller
Exactly.
champion in the world.
Back in 2005, he was number 3 in selling pigeons. He had the bronze medal. Dead serious.
He went to the pigeon Olympics with that bird brain.
What do you have to say for the vlog?
Hello. Let's go play some pool. Pool table. I can play better than you.
Let me hurt his feelings.
I'll put a social security card on it.
Dun 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 dun.
Oh well.
Put some chalk on that sucker. Hey, beating. What?
Rejected.
Look, nobody even hit it.
You couldn't even win if I didn't play. You cheated!
You know there's an actual skill to this game?
I don't know the skill.
Yeah, I can tell.
Hey, there's Papa.
What?
Said I want a peanut butter sandwich. Come on, one little dance.
Bruce, it's 1972, alright? Earth, Wind, and Fire just came on.
What?
It's me and Christian. That's it. I'm gonna bust one.
Hey.
I mean, it wouldn't matter. It wouldn't matter, though. I always bring my fishing pole everywhere I go.
Well, even if you're like going to a store.
Sometimes you gotta pull these little chains.
Now go on.
You how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
I teach you how to do with me. I teach you how to do.
Boy.
I don't know.
I'm so sick of this stupid game. It's definitely racist.
Just see me, I'm about to do.
Wait, hold on.
Poker face.
Go. To the right. One hop this time. Yeah. Right foot this time. Left foot this time. Slide to the left.
Oh, it's a murder.
Chris Cole.
That's just me and my puppy.
For the party people. Mr. Santa.
How you doing? Are you?
Oh, that's so Thank you so much for watching this video. We forgot to end it off and it's like a day later and I'm editing. I had one 8-minute clip to put in of the boys playing pool with Brother Ruben and the Nels came in. It was so funny. It got like the main part that I wanted in there. And it wouldn't let me transfer it over to my computer because it said that it took too much storage. But even though I cleared all of it out, it still wouldn't. So I don't know what the deal is. I was like, I just edited this whole thing anyways. I'm just gonna upload it. It's gonna be good for memory, so I'm not stressing about it. I hope you all enjoyed. We're gonna go to sleep, and we will see y'all later. Say bye-bye, Wally. Bye-bye. Kisses. Aw, thank you, Wobbly. Bye, everyone.